All right, so git input validation subject length. So I just explained that in the previous video, but in case you just landed on this one, a commit message or a commit has two parts. It has the subject and the description, and they have different lengths. By default, the subject line should have no more than 50 characters and the description line should have no more than 72. So these settings here control these lengths. So if we go to the subject line and we write one more character after the above the 50 character limit, it's going to show us this message: one character over 50 in current line. So this controls this length, and I'm just going to leave the default length of 50.